contacts in multiple views such as Kanban, list, map, and activity view. When you click on the preview of a particular contact, you can view the complete details of that specific contact. Odoo16 contacts module will help you to create and configure your contacts. The form view in the 16 edition has changed from the previous versions. You can compare it and check. To create your contact, you can click on this create button. Create button can be accessed in the top right corner. Using the creation form, you can create any contact that you want to keep for your business requirements. The main benefit of the Odoo contact module is that the platform enables you to create and save the contacts details of both individuals and companies. That means if you want to save a company as a contact, you can save it as a contact itself. In creating a contact, you can see an add button here. You can create various contact addresses such as invoice address, delivery address, private addresses, and many other address forms. Likewise, you can click on each tab and you can provide the required information here. If you are creating an individual contact, you will get another form with additional options for adding the company name, citizen identifications, and many other details. Here you can see the configuration tab, which includes different options such as contact tags, website tags, contact titles, industries, and another localization section. fed.states menu help you to get into the fed.states window, where you can configure various state names, state codes, and countries. The country groups window is very comfortable for creating and managing various country groups. This will also be very beneficial for managing a business contact. This module allows us to keep all our contacts and we can retrieve all these contacts based on our requirements. The various default and customizable options like filters, group by, export all, search options, and many others can help us to manage our contacts effortlessly. Thank you.